Hello everyone, and today I will show you my short squeeze analysis. Today, December 28, we have a new short interest data. Doesn't matter which resource you use to get this short interest data. And first of all, I need to click data filter and unclick all and look last December 15. And I see some stock from high short interest. I set some filter greater than 1 million. And I need average daily volume greater than 500,000. Okay, what we see? First of all, we see this stock. 54% short interest and low number day to cover, less than 1 day. And the second, I see this stock, 54%, and I like this 3.9 day to cover. And we can use some filter. This 8 days to cover, not bad too. This is not bad. And I usually look all stock which have short interest more than 20% from here. All this stock. And I copy this ticker. And then we move to toss. And I have watch list short new. And I update this short list. And replace all symbol for new. Okay, now we have short list. Then I look on the chart like this. It's not. Okay, this is not bad. ABC. And I delete this and keep this. This. Yeah, this is not bad too. You can set more like 5 years. This looks not bad. I don't like this. This is huge gap. You can look. The next stock, yeah, this is not bad. Go below this level. The next. Yeah, I see a gap here. Try to attract more shorts. Yeah, it can be good short squeeze. Okay, next. 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 And this is a huge short squeeze. Now we can expect pullback, but this maybe continue like this. I don't like trade stock after huge short squeeze. Yeah, delete this. Okay, what's this? Huge gap. Yeah, this is new IPO stock. I remember, this is a good company. Yeah, this can be good short squeeze. Yeah, and we can use strategy for a channel pattern. After this is huge short squeeze, we see some down. It can be continue 1, 2 years. I don't know. I don't like trade after. Delete this. Next. Yeah, this thing looks like line support. $6. Oh, that's not bad. Ticker. Yeah, every evening does have some update. Yeah. Okay. This looks good too. Yeah, I like channel pattern, my favorite. Yeah, we see a short squeeze, stock jump above MMA 200 and then show us pullback, go below MMA. I don't like when stock not hold. This is MMA 200. Go below. Yeah, it's not good. The next. Yeah, 42.24. Yeah, that's not bad. Yeah, every time when I see a stock like this, I remember some people like selling some puts to collect premium. And they're selling puts for different stocks. But this is not good idea because one day you can buy this stock for high price, maybe like 140, maybe 100. And then you will see how long this is downtrend. And you burn all your account, and you will be hope, oh, maybe stock will be back this level. But usually this never happens because some stock continue downtrend. And I selling puts only for stock which I really want to own. And if I selling put, I always ready to buy more this stock. But selling puts for different stock which you don't know, and you looking only level support, resistance, this is bad idea. This is a good example. And we see broke this level support down and touch this level to force a short close position here and continue downtrend. And this is huge gap. Short cannot open position when market close. Yeah, it can be open here, new position. But then we see a short cover this position here because stock touched this level. Okay, what's the next? 1996, yeah, huge gap. Yeah, looks good. This is level support. Yeah, and we need to check what kind of short interest have this stock, and I need to back short interest data. Yeah, I see it, 38%. 38%, not bad. All stock above 30%, I can mark this color. Maybe the same. Okay, and we can use filter and look what's happens with this stock before. And unclick, this is all filter. Yeah, this from January, 30%, then down, and from September, yeah, but this 30% June and down. Okay, and take a look at the chart. Yeah, we see some short squeeze here, June, then short interest down, continue downtrend. This level, yeah, this is a good level. Support was before, and short opened new position when stock crossed this level support. And this is level not covered, and we can expect market maker will touch this level to force a short to close position. Yeah, and if short will be trapped, we can see a good short squeeze. Yeah, like last year, they see the same, like accumulation, consolidation before huge short squeeze. And this is classic go up and then show pull back, short open new position, trap short, and nice run. Yeah. And we can look what's happening with this stock in file option flow. Okay, we look file accumulation December. Okay, puts. Interesting. June strike 110. Lot of puts, high delta for March. Yeah. If stock go up, maybe January or February, and we will see a short squeeze, all this put will be burned, and the market maker will collect very good profit. Okay, take a look for calls. Okay, we can stop from largest. 110 June, 19 March. Yeah, what's this tell us? This is tell us he expect short squeeze maybe January or February before March. And we see this is low delta call. For normal stock, this is not good delta, but for short squeeze stock, this is very good delta. Okay, 55. Somebody don't want to take risk, buying long expiration and safety delta because they expect short squeeze. Okay, take a look, open interest. Yeah, but this is huge open interest for this stock, I mean. Take a look bid size. What they want. March. They need to call 60 March. Yeah, they want to buy 348 contracts, but bought only 44. Yeah, this ask size small and huge bit, and we see this is not file like all options flow where we see all options and we not understand what kind of guys buying or selling. This is file accumulation. File accumulation clearly show us they accumulate this position, and most these calls we see in March. This is tell us something. Okay, we can look normal file like all options flow. Okay, and we need 20 to 30, yeah, to 28. We see some date, yeah, from 20 to 27. Okay, unclick. This is December, January. Look. Yeah, a lot of put on March. Okay, and click put. Again, March. Take a look. January 2024. 2023. Yeah, definitely they expect a short squeeze before March. And we're back. And I set alert. I like when stocks show us level support and then stock go below level support, because a lot of people buying here and set stop order below this level, and market maker need go below this level to force these people close position and collect this premium for stop losses. And then after stock will back above this level support, this is when stock back good entry point. Because if this is continue downtrend, stock usually not goes this way. Stock touch this level and then after touch show us continued downtrend like this. But if stock broke this level, we can buy it here. Okay, and what the next from this list? Sundown. Yeah, we know about this stock. We know this January 2022, a lot of 1,500,000 open interest for call. And he need burn this call because this is a lot of money. And after he will burn these calls, he can start short squeeze, because then he need to sell more options and stock. But first of all, need to collect this as 1,500,000 open interest premium. Yeah, burn and make money. Okay, this is long, $32 to 5. Okay, we can look what's short interest for this stock. Okay, I'm back to short interest data. Yeah, from October. Yeah, I think from September. Yeah, short interest grew like more than 100%, was like 13%, then 22, and hold this level. This is not bad, but 20% not big number. But this doesn't mean we can expect short squeeze. It can be happens, but yeah, we need back those. Yeah, I see. This is level. Okay, I can show like this. This is level with some resistance support, and then stock broke this level and show us pullback, touch this, forces short close position because short open position here, and then new breakout and short open position here, and then he forces short close position, because if they not close position, he continue move up, and they we can see short close position, and this is market maker clearly close all level. This level close where new short open position. Okay, it can be like this new level and short open position here, but market maker again touch this level and now show again new level. This can be long game. It can go low. Okay, what's the next? Next up like this. Yeah, this is not bad. And we can look, it's like Bitcoin. What's this? BT. Okay. From 50% down more than half. That's not good. And we need back toss. Yeah, force a short close position here. And now it's continue show downtrend and attract new short players, but not a good number. Okay. Again. This is blue indicator SMA 50 and short open position here when stock cross down this indicator, and we see a market maker touch this level, forces short close position, and then we see a new level. It can be go down. Okay, take a look what kind of percent short interest. Back to Excel. Again, 22%. Yeah, I like stock that have more than 50% short interest. Okay, back autos. Okay, what's this? Some stock show crazy run, like too late. Okay, and after I look all the stock chart, because I need tracking every month. The first time when I saw GME or AMC, I continue tracking this stock every month. Okay, we back to short, and I'll click on December. Okay, this is this is stock we can look more, but this I don't like. Small days. This. Okay, look first. Copy and back to TOS. Okay, I can add, maybe add here. Place. Okay, this is, I like this stock. And the second stock, yeah, I like too. This show us level support. 3 times touch this and touch SMA 200 here, then go below and now touch again. Yeah, it's like preparing to short squeeze, move close. Well, when you see a stock, and okay, I can remove this is some indicator. Yeah, if you see stock move so far from SMA 200, you see this space and continue space, and then stock move close, and we see a low space between SMA 50 and 200. This is a lot of space, and this is stock move close, and SMA 50 and 200 have between a low space. And when you see like this is can show you like trend return, like, and we close. It can be happening maybe months too. Okay, this is two stop I like. What this is yeah, I feel not good when I see a gap like this. Some trader bought here $60. Oh, somebody sell. They like selling premium put because they think, oh, this is level support. And then he sold put 55, and now stock $12. And congratulations, you have stock for $55. Yeah. Well, this looks not good for me. Yeah, this looks better. Yeah, we can expect and go. Yeah, good price for $1.30. Yeah, but now 30. Continue show us like level support SMA 200. Yeah, but I don't like this. I like this. I don't like this. Okay, and I have only 3. Yeah, stock which have like 30-40% short interest. Yeah, and we see this period of time only like small percent short interest. Yeah, this is not IMC, JME, but this stock can be show us 100%, maybe 200% run. And next, we need back to file accumulation. And look, this is ICPT, yeah, ICPT. Okay, what we see. March, low open interest. I like call 15. Yeah, this is prayer position. He only start accumulate this position. Call 30. Okay, and the next stock, BYND. Well, this looks better. December and January. Call 70. May. Okay, take a look. Open interest. 150. 2023, 24. May, call 90. How about bid size? This is safety delta. And open interest 424. Bid size 509. Yeah, this means he not try buy back option which he sold before, because we see a size more than open interest. He tried to buy. $120. This position we don't see clearly. He buying or saying maybe he sold before because we see a big number opening trades, and try to buy back. But for this position, we see he tried to buy this, and this safety delta. Yeah, somebody don't want to take risk. Okay, and we need to back our chart. Yeah, this stock, we check it, this stock, we see options flow, and this is stock. We're checking this stock too, and we can expect squeeze. And this stock, we checking too, and we can expect short squeeze too. And TTM indicator show us yellow move to zero line, and then we can see like this light blue. This is good.